Good morning guys, in front of me is the DOOGEE S100 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, find and select settings. Then locate and open display, go to wallpaper now and choose the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper. It can be some live wallpaper, one from your photos or something from wallpaper album, and this is what I would like to choose from. Pick the picture that you like the most. You can take a look and see how it presents on your screen. Let me choose this green one, tap on set wallpaper and finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen or both of them. I will pick both and that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.